Hey friends, if you wish to disable autofill logins and passwords on Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let us open Firefox. Now click on the hamburger symbol here at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to passwords. Now the order has changed a little. It's called fill usernames and passwords automatically. You'll have to uncheck this and it will save you from a lot of problems, because let us say Facebook was logged in on your system or Instagram was logged in on your system, and someone who had access to a computer, let's say someone from your family, simply logged on to it, then they'll have access to all of your messages and all of your private stuff. So by unchecking this option, you are saving yourself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.